Hi everyone, Matt Aaron here, co-founder of the Insurance Agent App Client Service Platform. About a year ago, we deployed a feature called Certs On Demand, and even we didn't know it was going to be the hit that it is today with independent agents. The way Certs On Demand works is it allows Insurance Agent App to fulfill, on behalf of an independent agent, a request for what most agencies would call a simple or basic certificate. Really just an update to the cert holder name and contact information. And we deliver that certificate to the insured and to the new cert holder, and we also let the agency know that we completed this request, the round trip. One of our early adopters of Certs On Demand was Eddie Lopez out of Excel Brokerage in New Jersey. And I'll let Eddie tell you in his own words in a moment how Insurance Agent App has driven growth inside of his agency, but in his words, it has changed his life.
Talk a little bit about the impact of instant COIs and how they've impacted your productivity and growth. You've sent out 1,200 certificates, delivered certs, so that's a pretty amazing time saver.
Yeah, by far, it's definitely the best thing ever because of having it. Because imagine me and the agency would have to do those 1,200, and that's so time consuming because there's so many trucking, so many transportation, so many people. Whereas just easy to use, so it's so easy and user friendly. Everyone says, "Oh my god!" Even people that don't know English are doing it with just me showing them an example of a video. I just show them the video and explain to them in Spanish how to do it, and they do it by themselves with no problems.
Can you quantify how much time you've saved, like freed up to grow your business,
hours by far. A day would
spent
probably
on
be,
sales?
let's say, and it would be probably 2 hours out my day doing COIs roughly a day. 2 hours
Okay.
at least. Yeah. No, it's so amazing to do.
Okay. Yeah. So 2 hours a day. So have you felt that it's been able to, as a tool, its impact on the growth of your agency?
Of
How
course.
has this one particular tool impacted your ability to
Because
grow?
instead of spending time on COIs, we have times marketing more, creating new business, and generating new business instead of just worrying about certificate after another one.
So here's how Certs On Demand works. Agencies will create a master certificate from their agency management system, and then they will upload or drag and drop it into the Insurance Agent App dashboard. And once an administrator has done that, we ask that administrator let us know which policies this certificate applies to. Because in the background, Insurance Agent App is monitoring these policies so that if anything lapses, there's an expiration, there's some change on one of the policies, this certificate is inactive. It's no longer available for Insurance Agent App to deliver on an agency's behalf. That's all an agency has to do. You're done. Then once that master certificate is uploaded into the Insurance Agent App system, Insurance Agent App will notify the insured by email and with a push notification that'll come in like a text message that this certificate is available for them to request. And that's it. So that's what it looks like for the agency on the admin side. For an insured, the process to request a certificate of insurance is pretty straightforward and easy to do, and it can be done in one of two places. The first is the agency's online client portal, and that can be accessed from an agency's website. And the other location where a certificate of insurance can be requested is through the Insurance Agent App. The experience on one platform or the other is nearly identical. So whatever platform your client is comfortable using, either online or on mobile, both will work the same way. But I'm going to show you what it looks like on the mobile device to show you how easy it is for your clients to request a certificate. And again, if it's a basic certificate or a simple certificate request, Insurance Agent App will fulfill that request on behalf of the agency. We will deliver the cert to the insured, and we will also deliver it to the new cert holder, and we will complete the round trip back to the agency. So let me show you the tap sequence on the mobile device. Pretty simple, right? Pretty cool. It's a really elegant solution to a big problem for a lot of agencies. But we also know that for a lot of agencies, you get complex certificate requests. So I want to slow that video down just a little bit and show you a screen that you may or may not have seen in that video. It's a field right here that says additional instructions to agent. And if that field is tapped, this is the screen your clients would see inside the mobile app and also on the online client portal as well. There are a couple of questions there. Is additional insured language requested? Is waiver of subrogation requested? The default answers there are no. But if your client taps yes to either one of those questions, this request is going back to your agency where you will have to handle that request. If your client comes down to this field and requests additional insureds inside of the certificate, and they need to spell out the names of those insureds because we know a lot of times there are typos in those names. So this way, the client is responsible for the proper spelling of the additional insureds. If your client comes down here and is going to request special wording inside the certificate, or maybe they have an image of that special wording or a document that they want to add in some way into the new certificate, you'll have that document so you know what it is, or maybe that wording on the document. But this way, a complex certificate request is standardized. It is sent back to the agency in a way that it minimizes the back and forth with the insured. So that's it. Certs On Demand. It's an elegant solution to a real problem for a lot of independent agents. It's a problem that costs independent agents a lot of money and produces no revenue. If you'd like to learn more or see more, please schedule a demo at the insuranceagentapp.com website, and we look forward to talking with you soon.